Stop fighting your sweet tooth to hit your fitness goals. We're whipping up 3 macro-friendly ice creams that taste like premium pints but pack over 45 grams of protein to keep you on track. First up, the chocolate chunk. We'll be using this milk right here, Fairlife's ultra-filtered milk, 50% more protein and 50% less sugar than regular milk. And we're going 366 grams, which is about 1.5 cups. So I'm gonna be trying something a little bit different today. I'm gonna be putting all my dry ingredients in this bowl, and then I'll be mixing in with the liquid base. And I'm going 31 grams of vanilla protein powder, which is 1 serving of this protein powder right here, Optimum Nutrition. I find that it mixes really well, tastes pretty good. So now I'll give the base a nice dark chocolate look. We're using this unsweet cocoa powder right here. Put that into the bowl. Now this ingredient right here is gonna be flavor powder. This is gonna give it some sweetness and some of that more chocolatey taste. And we only need 3 grams, which is gonna be 1 scoop of this. That's all you need. Let's add that in. Now to make it a little bit sweeter, we're gonna add some 0-cal sweetener. This will make it sweeter with 0 calories. Go 2 teaspoons of this. This is gonna be a new ingredient. I normally use xanthan gum, but I'm gonna be using Terra gum today. Just works a little bit better with cold ice cream, and it's a bit more natural as well. We're gonna be going in 1/4 teaspoon, or about 1 gram. And last but not least, we're going some salt. This brings out the flavor in the ice cream. We're just going a little bit of a pinch right here. Now I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients with a whisk. Got it all mixed up. Now I'm gonna pour it into the chocolate milk. And now we're gonna mix it all up using an immersion blender. All right, got that all mixed up. This is gonna go in the freezer for 24 hours. Next, we have the peanut butter chocolate crunch. We're using the same milk, Fairlife's ultra-filtered milk, the chocolate, and we are again going 366 grams of the milk. And now we'll do the same thing as we did with the last recipe. We'll just put all our dry ingredients together. We got our protein powder. And so we get a peanut butter taste in it without too many calories. We're using PB2. So we're going 2 tablespoons of this, which is 1 serving or 13 grams. 2 teaspoons of 0-cal sweetener, Terra gum, and some salt. All right, now we'll mix in all our dry ingredients. Now we're gonna put dry ingredients into the wet. Now we'll blend it up. Peanut butter chocolate crunch all mixed up. This will go in the freezer as well, 24 hours. And now let's move on to our last one, the hazelnut. We'll be using half of this Fairlife milk and half of this Fairlife milk, both ultra filtered. So we're going 183 of each. This is so we don't get too much chocolate in this base, get more of that hazelnut look as opposed to a straight chocolate look. We'll do the same thing here. We'll put all our dry ingredients in here. Go 31 grams of the protein powder, 2 teaspoons of the 0-cal sweetener, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the Terra gum, and a pinch of salt. Mix in our dry ingredients quick. Dump in our dry ingredients. So first we're gonna blend our base first, and then we're gonna put the hazelnut in afterwards. Just make sure we get everything mixed in properly. And this is the start of the show right here, this hazelnut chocolate spread. And we'll be using 1 tablespoon of this. Drop that in. Yep, smells good. Give this a nice blend. We got the hazelnut spread all incorporated into the pint. Hazelnut all mixed up. We'll drop this in the freezer as well, and I'll see you guys in 24 hours. First up, the chocolate chunk. This first one, I'll be walking you guys through exactly how to do it. So first thing, we'll run it through some warm hot water. Make sure it's not too icy. Do this for about 30 seconds. So now we're gonna drop this into the creamy, and we're gonna go light ice cream setting. Done on the light ice cream setting. Let's take a peek. So this is good right there. Don't want to respin that. Looks perfectly fine. So now for the mix-ins, we're going to use this dark cocoa right here. Put them in the chunk strips like this right here. This is 2 squares, about 25 grams. I'm just going to put this into the middle. I'm going to put it back in. The mix-in button. All right, mix-in setting done. That is looking good. This entire pint is 494 calories and 45 grams of protein. All right, let's give it a try. Wow. That's good. Lots of chocolate. Up next, we have the peanut butter chocolate crunch. Just ran it on the light ice cream setting. Let's take a peek. This one looking good as well. This one, I'm gonna create a little bit of a well in the middle. Super creamy. Always gotta give it just a little bit of a bite. Oh yeah. So for the mix-ins on this one, we're actually gonna use a Butterfinger, and just half the Butterfinger. Don't wanna bring up the calories too much. And I chop them up just like that. And now we're just gonna drop this right into the creamy, like that.
and mix in. All mixed up, let's take a look. Peanut butter chocolate crunch.
This entire pint is 433 calories and 50 grams of protein.
Let's give the peanut butter chocolate crunch a try. The base and the Butterfinger taste pretty similar. That added crunch makes it taste so good. It's such a good contrast. Last but not least, we have the hazelnut. Just ran it on the light ice cream setting. Let's take a peek. Yep, looking good on the first spin. Yeah. For the mix-ins on this one, we're using Ferrero's. We're using 2 of these and just slice them up into these sizes right here. So we're gonna drop those in and we're gonna go mix in. Hazelnut is all mixed up. Let's take a look. Ooh, what we got right there.
This entire pint is 563 calories and 47 grams of protein.
Let's give the hazelnut a try. It's pretty good. Yeah, this one also has that good crunch in it, has good contrast, super good.